You've probably heard the phrase Bitcoin mining, but here's the strange part. There are no miners digging Bitcoin out of the ground. So, what exactly are they mining? And why do powerful computers around the world compete to do it? Let's break it down in simple terms. Bitcoin mining is the process that helps confirm transactions and add them to Bitcoin's public blockchain. Miners use specialized computers to compete in solving a difficult mathematical problem. The first miner to find a valid solution gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain. Think of mining like a giant global race. Thousands of specialized computers are trying different numbers again and again. Most attempts fail. Eventually, one miner finds a valid result. The network checks it, and if everything is correct, that block becomes part of the blockchain. This system is called proof of work. It requires real computing power and electricity. The idea is that producing a valid block should require significant work, making it much harder for someone to manipulate the network. So why would anyone spend money on expensive hardware and electricity? Because successful Bitcoin miners can receive a reward. The reward includes newly issued Bitcoin, along with transaction fees from the transactions included in the block. But there's a built-in rule that changes the mining reward over time. Approximately every 4 years, Bitcoin's block subsidy is cut in half. This event is known as the Bitcoin halving. It's one reason the rate of new Bitcoin creation decreases over time. Today, Bitcoin mining is extremely competitive. Professional miners often operate large facilities with specialized hardware and carefully managed electricity costs. For most individuals, buying mining equipment doesn't automatically mean making a profit.
Power usage is stable, hash rate looks good too.
So Bitcoin mining isn't about digging digital coins out of the ground. It's a competitive computer process that helps verify transactions, secure the network, and issue new Bitcoin according to the protocol's rules. Now you know the basics of how Bitcoin mining works. Subscribe to Crypto Horizon AI for more simple crypto explanations.